All right, let's take a look at the Profiles and Permission Sets report. This is really a couple dozen different reports, all listed over here at left. First, we have a section for profile reports, and it will show you all of your different profiles, which are listed here in the first column, in a matrix report against Apex classes, Apex pages, application visibility, field and object permissions, layout assignments, record types versus layouts, record type visibility, tab visibility, and user and custom permissions. In the last column and in the last row, it'll actually show you the roll-up of what percentage of profiles or permissions are enabled or disabled. It also does reports for all of your permission sets, and once again the permission sets are in that first column, and then all of the different, in this case Apex classes, are listed across the top. And you can show application visibility, field permissions, object permissions, create, edit, delete, etc., record type visibility, tab visibility, and user permissions as well for all of your different permission sets. In the last section we have the combined security reports, and these will actually show you the same permissions on a user basis. So for example, I've selected this user here, Josh Hyde, and you can see here in the column his permissions for the account object. So he starts out with the standard user profile that gives him read and view permission, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 permission sets later, he has create, delete, edit, read, and view permission to the account object. So this is a vital security report. It shows you the actual user permissions given not only their profile but also their permission sets and how those are changed. They're listed in red if the permission sets did not actually change the given user's permissions for that object. Okay, so once you've looked at the different preview matrix reports and decided what you want, you can click on the reports that you're interested in over here at left, or you can right click to select them all if you want, and then you click the Display Report tab, and now you have a giant roll-up of all of those different reports. And you can of course click the Export button and save them as a PDF for colleagues or to archive for compliance and governance. Another thing you can do with this report is you can select the users that you want in the combined security report. You can select the objects that you want to include in the object permissions and field permissions, and then you can also customize the report with more or less details, and also the percentages here at bottom if you want those or don't want those. Okay, that's the Profiles and Permission Sets report.